The other appliance that runs on gas inside of this vehicle is the fridge. It works in a very similar way to the cooker. This is the igniter, the same as the lighter, and this is the dial for the gas. When we press it in and turn to the left, once this stops flashing, we know that the flame has ignited. Just very slowly release this, and it should stay on without flashing. If, when you release this, it starts flashing like this again, the flame is not ignited, and you should just try again to hold it in. Put it somewhere between medium and maximum. Listen for a slight sound of a flame starting, and slowly release. You can then switch this off again, and your fridge is turned on. And on this other side here, when you're connected to the 220 volt, you can switch this on. This will ignite light up in green, and you have electronic control, thus not running on the gas anymore. And this one is for solar and battery, but it's very, very heavy power consumption and not recommended for use at all. And that's the fridge.